In this tutorial, we'll learn how to host a website using Tinny Host, a web hosting platform. Tinny Host is a simple web hosting platform that allows you to quickly upload and share static websites. It offers different plans such as Tiny, Solo, and Pro, each designed for different needs and levels of usage. Tinny Host lets you quickly create and share websites with a custom Tinny site link. You can upload files like documents, images, or code, paste your own HTML, or choose from ready-made examples to get started easily. Next, select the web app example option. Once you click on it, Tinny Host will automatically deploy a sample web app so you can see how your site will look. You can add new tasks to your to-do list, such as work, where you can keep track of assignments, meetings, or deadlines. You can also add gym tasks to plan your workouts, set fitness goals, or schedule exercise sessions. Additionally, you can include shopping tasks to remember items you need to buy, whether it's groceries, clothes, or other essentials. Click on Work or Gym to mark them as completed and cross them out. Then, use the active filter to view only the remaining tasks, such as shopping, which are still pending. To upload and deploy a custom live project, log into your account and upload an index.html file. This file will act as the main homepage of your website, and once uploaded, your project will be live and accessible through your provided link. Click on the link to access your custom to-do list HTML file. This will open your live project in the browser, where you can test its features, add tasks, and verify that everything is deployed correctly. From here, you can interact with your to-do list by adding new tasks. This allows you to test your deployed project properly and make sure everything is working correctly after uploading your index.html file to your hosting account. You can also click Add Team to include other members in your project. This feature allows you to collaborate with others by inviting them to access and manage your workspace together. Once added, team members can help edit, update, and improve the project, making it easier to work on the to-do list or web app as a group. You can also use the integration feature to extend your project's functionality. This allows you to connect your to-do list or web app with other tools and services, making it more powerful and flexible. You have successfully completed the Tinny Host web hosting process. Your website is now live and accessible through the generated link. You can view your deployed project, test its features, and share it with others. From here, you can continue improving your site by updating your index.html file, adding new features, or using tools like integrations and team collaboration to make your project even better.